Welcome to government class. In this lesson, we'll look at the basic concepts of government. Let me ask you a dangerous question. If your school principal gives an order and students obey, is that power or authority? If a celebrity tells Nigerians to vote for someone and they listen, is that authority or influence? If Nigeria makes laws without taking permission from any country, what is that called? Today, we're breaking down the most confusing but most tested concepts in JAMB Government. And after this video, nobody will confuse power and authority again. Power versus influence versus authority. Let's start with power. Power is the ability to make others do something, whether they like it or not. Simple. If the police stop you and demand your license, that is power. Now, influence. Influence is the ability to shape opinions or behavior without force. Example, Davido tells young people to register for PVC. That's influence, not power. Now, the big one. Authority. Authority is legitimate power. Read that again. Authority equals power that is recognized and accepted as rightful. If a thief forces you to give him money, that is power, but it is not authority. If a judge sentences a criminal, that is authority. Because society recognizes the judge's legal right to act. Exam trap alert. Power can exist without legitimacy. Authority cannot. If a coup leader takes over government, he has power, but may lack legitimacy. Legitimacy and sovereignty. Legitimacy means the people accept the government's right to rule. Without legitimacy, government becomes unstable. Now, sovereignty. This is supreme power of a state over its territory without external control. There are two types in this world: internal sovereignty, power within the country; external sovereignty, freedom from foreign control. When Nigeria decides to rise, that is sovereignty. If another country controls Nigeria's citizens, sovereignty is lost. During colonial rule, Nigeria lacked sovereignty. That's common examples. Peace struggle, society, state, nation state. This is where many schools fail. Let's simplify. Society, a group of people living together with shared culture. State, a political entity. Population, territory. Government, sovereignty. Those four are reducible. Example, the Yoruba nation, the Igbo nation, nation-state, political boundaries match cultural identity. Example, Japan is largely a nation-state. Nigeria is a nation-state. Many nations have a sovereign state. If Jen asks, Nigeria is best described as multinational sovereignty. Now let's talk about political processes. These include 1. Political socialization. How people learn political values. Agency include family, school, religion, peer groups. 2. Political participation. Ways citizens engage in politics. Examples: voting, protesting, joining parties, campaigning. 3. Political culture. The shared attitudes and beliefs about politics. If people distrust government, that affects political culture.